Are you still spending hours on tasks that a smart system could finish in minutes? I'm SK, and I build those systems. With over 15 years of experience in Python, AI, machine learning, and database automation, I've helped more than 20 businesses cut their manual workload by 40 hours or more every single month. Here's what I specialize in. I build AI and machine learning models, automate data pipelines with Python, create GPT-powered chatbots, deploy FastAPI-based REST APIs, and design smart Excel, VBA, Google Sheets, and AppSheet solutions that eliminate hours of manual work. Clients choose me because I deliver on time every time. My code is clean and documented. I respond within 24 hours, and I stay with you even after the project is done, because your success matters more than just closing a contract. I work best with startups, small businesses, and operations teams, people who are ready to stop doing things manually and start using intelligent systems to grow faster. If that sounds like you, send me a message right now. Tell me your project, and I'll reply within 24 hours with a clear plan. No fluff, no hard sell, just real solutions. Let's build something great together.